show you the elevator right now. We got a full building tour. Will be coming up. I got all the way up to 16th. Again, like I said in the Civic Center tour, spoiler alert, basically the same. Now the other couple weeks ago, this padding on this side came off.
Second floor going up.
Anyway, yeah. You can't see the catches. There was one of these here that padded. And they came over here and started blocking this. It will come out and block this. And since those have nudge mode enabled, it triggers allowed 3,000 hertz. Or, 3,000 hertz. Tell them. Like I said, I have a full building tour coming, so. Here, fix that. Well, if the door just now closes, you'll see why. All right. It's hot up here. Kind of one of the disadvantages of living on the 16th. Since heat rises, it really gets hot. Last night I couldn't get my apartment below 87. Okay. Bubble wrap and popcorn. But here it comes. Put that down. I gotta take the box and stuff down outside. Because we have a, probably upside down, but we have a crash chute. You can't throw boxes in there. This is cool. Layer 2. There we go. Finally gave it up. Wow, that's different than I expected. A little bit different, at least. And here it is. A Whelen strobe. No, not wheel-lock. Whelen. Like the light bar and outdoor warning siren people. New Age server alarm has one like this too, and it's actually the same date as his. It's not the same unit though, because this lettering is different because it's handwritten. Well, there's your UL listing. Yeah, see, it's from 91. So this was actually from before. Well, after some exhaustive searching, found out that 88 came about in 1990. So this is probably one of the very first to be compliant, even though it doesn't really state that it is. I like how you can just barely see fire lettering there. You know, it's big and bold on this side. I'm redoing this because this phone disobeyed me. I thought I'd hit record, or to unpause, but it didn't happen. So I was cleaning it off with Windex here, like this, I've barely seen these installed. In fact, I haven't seen these installed in the wild. I think New Age Server has seen one installed in the wild. Kind of slipped with the keys there. This is pretty rare too. Kind of got this. The wire leads aren't rare, but this little thing is quite rare. So now, back to this side. and picked up again. Back to that side. Yeah, this came available this weekend. When I saw it, I knew I had to have it. And I knew there were 3 people, or I saw that there were 3 people watching the listing. So if any of you who are watching this, or also watching the listing, I'm sorry. You might have seen on the label, it's 120 candela. So it is really bright. I think it's the brightest fixed candela alarm I have. I think. To quantify that. TV batteries are good. They're not going to see much because the strobe's, facing downward. Whoop. I don't think they have quite enough voltage. Try this one then. Nope. Flashing about the same. It's still kind of going slow. Just a sec. Well, I'm getting 23.7 volts according to my multimeter. I'm just getting a really slow flash rate, as you saw. This set of batteries, at least, I was getting 23.7. Like almost every 4 to 5 seconds. What the heck? That's it. And these batteries like this are supplying sufficient voltage, so. And there is no specified voltage limit, so I don't want to try all 4 of them. See, now it's not even working. It's again. Yeah, see? And now I'm getting 24.6 out of this set. So that should be definitely high enough, or strong enough. What the heck's going on here? Try one of my power supplies, maybe. Now it isn't doing it. It doesn't doing anything. I don't smell any burning or anything, so that couldn't be it. I got it to work. It can flash a little bit faster, but not by much. Two, 1, 2, 2. Hopefully you were seeing that. See if I can find alligator clips. Oh. There we go. kind of temperamental. Yeah, I was able to find my alligator clips. Here. Cleaning out the apartment. It's only one flash like every two, like 0, 1, 2, 1, 2. Still cool though. You can't really see the light spread pattern because, you know, it's, oh, the camera's getting washed out. See if you can kind of see it this way. No, not really. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. So there you go. That's the Whelen VSA-24 AC/DC. So there you go. Thanks for watching.